Alright, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Drop Lows here, and today we doing a lot. The little Honda about to get some work. Y'all stay tuned. Check this out. You ever seen a chopper do some damage? Niggas tripping, I ain't got a station. I tell them, you must be out of your mind.
Look, my man walking the scooter, goddamn. Look at him on the scooter. I'm still the king. Toting that bitch.
East side to the world, I'm in that wind. Alright, so I got my little assortment of tools here. And I got the coilovers, brakes, rotors, camber arms. We're going to be getting to work on the Honda today, and we're going to lower this mug down. Now, as y'all know from previous videos, the driver's side is the worst side of the car because that was the side that was totaled whenever I bought it. I did all the little DIY body work. It's a bunch of Bondo, making a cake, however you want to call it, but it looked decent for right now. I'm going to throw some paint on it and see what it turns out. I know that the driver's side front, the wheel bearing's blown, so I already got a whole nother spindle in order to slap on there and pull off the old one. We're going to get started right there. All right, so I got the driver's side front wheel off, and I may have to take a pause for a second because I don't think I had a right side socket as far as the axle bolt, so I may not be able to get the wheel bearing out. What I am gonna do is go ahead and install the coilover while I'm here, just knock one thing out the way. Okay, so I got all the necessary bolts removed. I got the little horseshoe drop. It should be to the fact I should drop both of these right here. Let me not drop that screw. Set it there. And when I let this other one go, the tower should start dropping. Oh no, can it not reach? Here we go. There it goes. All right. All right, YouTube, it's raining, so I'm about to be done for at least right now. But I got the first coilover on. Let's lower it down, see what it look like. Not too fast, not too fast. Ooh, ooh, ooh. There we go. Bye-bye wheel gap. All right, since it looked like this rain gonna hold up, now it's time to show y'all the worst part of the car. For the past 6 months, that's what's been getting us by. Look at how blown that fucking suspension is. Glad to be doing this. Let me go ahead and get this on bust down, get the new coilover in. Okay, so I am gonna cut my carpet right here around the strut tower area. I'm sorry, but if you're doing coilovers and you plan on doing adjustments and stuff, like, you might as well just go ahead and cut it. That way it's always easily accessible and you ain't gotta go through a bunch of crap and pulling panels each time and risk popping the plastic pieces to get it. All right, let me see what I can do. Here we go. I should be able to drop this bolt and the tower start dropping. And extend that just a little bit. Oh, no, drop my socket. Not the... Here we go. Well, it's probably stuck on something down bottom. But let's see what we got here. Oh, there it goes. Come on. Ow, son of a bitch. Look at that, bro. Look at this shot. Shot ain't the word. Look at what was supposed to be my camber arm. Crooked as heck. Oh my gosh. And I got something for that though. I got something for it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm gonna install these. I ain't gonna move the car until I go get an alignment though. Like, I have to get an alignment because I know I'm not trying to chew through these tires. All right. Got the first one installed. They'll go to neat little tuck job. It's tight, but I got room. I'm gonna have to redo my little body work over here. Golly! All right, y'all. Got the other front side done. Let's see. Just gonna have to let it down slow. Ooh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. My jack is getting stuck. We got rid of some wheel gap. I can still even go lower. Maybe. I don't know. Let's see. All right, YouTube, this the last one. Let's see what this whole drop gonna look like. Ooh. Ooh. Yes. There we go. We tucking in the back, almost up front. Oh, we def tucking in the back. Sheesh. Here we go. All right, now that I got all my mess cleaned up, here's what we looking like. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely a lot better. Sheesh. This right here looks so much better than that big monster truck shit I had going on at first. Tucking in the back, tucking some up front. I'm gonna have to dial in the fitment just a little bit more and take it to go get it aligned, but sheesh. I'm liking it, y'all. All right, so that's gonna wrap it up for today. I got the coilovers installed. Tomorrow, I'm gonna be redoing the front brakes, that spindle, and yeah, gonna be finished with the Honda. It looks so much better low. Sheesh, loving that. All right, if you like this content, subscribe, like, and give me a thumbs up. There will be more on the way. Stay tuned.